Do you ever wonder why, even with all the medical advancements today, so many people still struggle with health as they age? The truth is, a healthy, fulfilling life in our later years isn't something that just happens. It's built on the small choices we make every day. While doctors and medicines can help, real lasting health comes from within. Many of us unknowingly follow habits that quietly undermine our well-being. These 6 habits, often overlooked, can be the very reason why energy fades and health issues arise sooner than expected. But the good news? By understanding and avoiding these life-shortening habits, we can build a foundation for a longer, more vibrant life. In today's video, we'll explore these 6 habits that can slowly rob us of health and vitality. Stick with us, and you'll learn how to replace them with simple, powerful changes that can make all the difference. And before we dive in, a quick note. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Elders Community. We're dedicated to supporting you with insights and guidance for a healthier, happier life. So, let's get started. Together, we're going to make the most of our golden years. 1. Staying up late and irregular sleep patterns. One of the most overlooked habits that can seriously impact our health is staying up late and maintaining an irregular sleep schedule. Sleep is essential to our well-being, especially as we get older. During sleep, our bodies undergo critical processes, our cells repair, our immune system strengthens, and our minds get a chance to rest and rejuvenate. When we disrupt this process by staying up late or sleeping at odd hours, we disturb our body's natural rhythm, also known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm acts like our internal clock, guiding bodily functions so they work in harmony. Ignoring this natural timing doesn't just make us feel tired or sluggish the next day. It affects our hormones, metabolism, and immunity, weakening the foundation of our health. Over time, these disruptions accumulate, leading to issues like reduced immunity, increased stress, and in some cases even speeding up the aging process. Think of our bodies like a well-cared-for garden. If we don't follow a regular schedule to water and nurture it, it starts to show signs of strain. Similarly, when we lack quality sleep, our resilience fades and it becomes easier for health issues to take hold, affecting everything from heart health to memory. Improving sleep quality is simpler than many people realize, and it can make a huge difference. Start by setting a consistent bedtime and wake-up time each day, even on weekends. This helps train your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Reducing screen time before bed is also helpful, as screens emit a blue light that can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. Taking a break from screens at least an hour before bed helps ease the mind into a restful state. Creating a calming bedtime routine also signals to the body that it's time to wind down. Gentle activities like reading, listening to relaxing music, or light stretching can help you settle into sleep more easily. 2. Smoking and its impact on health. Smoking is a habit that's widely recognized as harmful, yet many people underestimate just how deeply it affects our bodies, especially as we age. Smoking doesn't just impact the lungs, it influences nearly every organ in the body, accelerating the decline of vital systems and functions. Studies have shown that smokers tend to live on average 10 years less than non-smokers. And these aren't just years lost from the end of life. They're often years lost in terms of quality and health. When we smoke, toxins from cigarettes enter our bloodstream, causing inflammation and damaging our organs over time. This contributes to an increased risk of heart disease, respiratory issues, and certain types of cancers. The impact on circulation alone can lead to decreased oxygen flow to various parts of the body, affecting everything from skin health to brain function. For older adults, this is especially concerning, as the body's natural resilience has already diminished with age, making it harder to recover from the damage caused by smoking. Imagine it like a well-worn machine that's already had years of use. Adding more wear and tear only speeds up its decline. Quitting smoking even later in life can still bring significant benefits. Studies have shown that the body begins to heal remarkably soon after a person quits. The risk of heart disease begins to drop within just a year, and circulation improves, leading to increased energy levels and better overall health. Quitting is challenging, but it is also one of the most empowering steps a person can take for their health. Many people find success by seeking support, setting small goals, and substituting the habit with healthier options. For instance, reaching for water, chewing gum, or engaging in a short walk can help curb the urge. The impact of quitting is profound. It can bring years back to your life, improve your quality of life, and reduce the risk of serious health issues. Even if you've smoked for many years, it's never too late to make a change. The journey may be tough, but the results are worth it, and your body will thank you every step of the way. By choosing to quit, you're choosing to protect your health and take back control over your future. 3. Overeating and poor dietary choices. Eating is one of life's simplest pleasures, but when we consistently overeat or make poor dietary choices, it can take a heavy toll on our health, especially as we age. Overeating puts extra strain on our digestive system, forcing it to work harder than it should. When we consume more than our body can process, it can lead to various health problems, including digestive issues, weight gain, and even serious complications like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. It's not just about how much we eat, but what we're eating too. Highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and meals high in unhealthy fats can do more harm than good. Imagine the body like an engine. It works best when we fuel it with the right amount of high-quality energy. Constantly overloading it or fueling it with low-quality choices wears it down over time. For older adults, this becomes even more critical because metabolism naturally slows down with age, and the body needs a balance of nutrients to stay strong and functional. Studies have shown that consistently overeating, especially on foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can increase the risk of chronic illnesses and decrease life expectancy. The good news is that even small adjustments in our eating habits can bring about significant improvements. Practicing portion control is a simple yet effective way to reduce overeating. Instead of large portions, try serving smaller amounts and eating slowly to savor each bite. This gives the body time to signal when it's full, reducing the chances of consuming more than needed. Choosing more nutrient-dense foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the body with essential vitamins and minerals without the added strain. Mindful eating, where we focus on enjoying our meal without distractions, can also make a difference. Many people find that when they eat without watching TV or scrolling through their phones, they feel more satisfied and tend to eat less. And if cravings for sweets or processed foods come up, consider healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. By choosing to eat wisely and in moderation, we're not only protecting our bodies but also giving ourselves a better chance at long-term health and vitality. It's never about depriving ourselves, but rather about making choices that nourish and sustain us. These changes may seem small, but over time, they add up to create a solid foundation for a healthier, more energetic life. 4. Leading a sedentary lifestyle. As we get older, staying active becomes even more important for maintaining good health. Yet it's easy to slip into a sedentary lifestyle. With more time at home and the convenience of modern technology, we might find ourselves sitting for hours on end, whether watching TV, reading, or simply relaxing. While relaxation is essential, prolonged inactivity can have serious effects on our bodies, leading to a gradual decline in muscle strength, mobility, and overall health. A sedentary lifestyle is linked to various health concerns, including obesity, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. It also affects circulation, which can lead to issues like swelling in the legs, muscle weakness, and, over time, a decline in cardiovascular and respiratory health. Think of our bodies as machines that are designed to move. Without regular movement, the muscles weaken, bones become more brittle, and the body's natural processes slow down. This decline can make everyday activities, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, more challenging than they need to be, which in turn affects independence and quality of life. Moreover, a sedentary lifestyle can contribute to feelings of fatigue, making it even harder to stay motivated and active. Fortunately, small, consistent efforts can reverse this cycle. Even gentle forms of activity like short walks, stretching exercises, or light strength training can help maintain mobility and strength. The goal isn't to suddenly adopt an intense workout routine, but to make movement a regular part of daily life. For example, taking a short walk after each meal can improve digestion and circulation, while a few simple stretches in the morning can ease stiffness and set a positive tone for the day. Even standing up and moving around every hour or so if you're sitting for long periods can help keep the blood flowing and muscles engaged. The benefits of staying active are profound. Better physical health, a stronger heart, improved mood, and even sharper cognitive function. Embracing small changes in daily routines can help counter the effects of a sedentary lifestyle and build a foundation for better health in the long term. By making the choice to stay active, we're investing in a healthier, happier future, one that allows us to enjoy life's simple pleasures with ease. 5. Neglecting mental and emotional health. As we age, taking care of our mental and emotional well-being becomes just as important as looking after our physical health. Unfortunately, this aspect of health is often overlooked. Long-term stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can quietly take a toll on our bodies, contributing to faster aging and weakening our immune system. Research has shown that individuals who experience prolonged emotional distress are more likely to face physical health challenges over time. Our minds and bodies are closely connected, and when one suffers, the other often follows. Negative emotional states can sometimes lead people to adopt unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as overeating, smoking, or even withdrawing socially. For older adults, this isolation or withdrawal can become a cycle that's hard to break. Without positive emotional outlets or supportive connections, feelings of loneliness, sadness, and even depression can set in, further impacting health. This emotional burden isn't just mental, it can physically weigh us down, affecting everything from heart health to immunity. The good news is that caring for mental health doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes can go a long way. Staying connected with family and friends, even just a quick call or visit, can bring joy and keep feelings of loneliness at bay. Engaging in social activities, whether it's a hobby group, volunteering, or simply meeting neighbors, can boost mood and provide a sense of purpose. Practicing mindfulness or relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, can also help manage stress and calm the mind. These practices can shift our perspective, helping us focus on what's positive and uplifting. Additionally, doing things we enjoy, whether it's a hobby, reading, gardening, or listening to music, can bring daily moments of happiness. When we prioritize our mental well-being, we create a foundation of resilience that benefits our entire body. By nurturing our emotional health, we not only enhance our own quality of life but also have more energy and positivity to share with those around us. Taking these steps may seem small, but they can have a lasting impact on our overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy mind is the gateway to a healthy body, and looking after our emotional well-being is an essential part of living a longer, happier life. 6. Ignoring preventive health checkups and self-care. As we grow older, our bodies become more vulnerable to a range of health issues, making preventive care and regular health checkups essential. Yet, many people overlook these appointments, often underestimating the power of early detection and the value of staying informed about their health. Routine checkups can catch potential problems before they develop into more serious conditions, allowing for treatment and lifestyle changes that can make a big difference. Skipping these checkups can mean missing out on critical opportunities to address health concerns early, which could impact both quality and length of life. Preventive healthcare isn't only about visiting the doctor, it's also about knowing key health indicators like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar. By monitoring these and other vital signs, we can gain insight into how our bodies are functioning and make adjustments as needed. For example, managing blood pressure or keeping cholesterol in check through diet, exercise, or medication can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and other conditions. Regular screenings, such as for diabetes or certain types of cancer, offer further layers of protection, helping us catch potential issues early when they are often easier to manage. Self-care is another crucial aspect of preventive health that extends beyond doctors' visits. Taking time for self-care means prioritizing activities that keep us feeling our best, physically, mentally, and emotionally. This can include maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress effectively. Self-care doesn't have to be elaborate. It can be as simple as going for a walk each day, taking moments to relax, or even staying hydrated. These small acts build up, creating a foundation of resilience that supports long-term health. Ignoring preventive care and self-care is like neglecting maintenance on a car. Small problems build up over time, potentially leading to bigger issues down the road. By choosing to make health checkups a regular part of life, we're investing in a future where we can remain active and independent. Making self-care a priority strengthens our body's ability to recover, adapt, and thrive. So, don't wait until something feels wrong to see the doctor or take care of yourself. Embracing preventive health care and self-care now can bring us peace of mind, knowing we're doing everything possible to live a long, healthy life. After all, taking care of ourselves is the first step to enjoying our golden years to the fullest. As we've seen, living a healthy and fulfilling life in our later years isn't just about what modern medicine can offer. It's also about the choices we make every day. From prioritizing good sleep to staying active, eating mindfully, nurturing our mental well-being, avoiding harmful habits like smoking, and keeping up with preventive health care, these small changes can have a tremendous impact on both our health and happiness. By consciously working to avoid these 6 life-shortening habits, we can create a foundation that supports vitality and resilience, allowing us to enjoy our golden years to the fullest. The beauty of these steps is that none of them require major sacrifices. They're all about making small adjustments that build up over time, creating a healthier, more vibrant future. Taking even a few of these suggestions to heart can lead to a noticeable difference in energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. It's never too late to start caring for yourself, and each small step you take is an investment in your health and happiness. At Elders Community, we believe in supporting you through every stage of this journey. If today's video inspired you, be sure to subscribe and join our community. We're here to provide insights, encouragement, and practical advice to help you make the most of your later years. Share this video with friends and family, because together we can make choices that lead to a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and remember, small steps today can bring big benefits tomorrow. Let's make these golden years truly shine.